Welcome to e-Chem Open. Today, we will be discussing alkanes. What are alkanes? They are organic molecules called aliphatic. These do not have a benzene ring. They are a group of hydrocarbon molecules in which all the carbon and hydrogen atoms are only joined by single covalent bonds. Alkenes are a family of saturated hydrocarbons with the general formula of CnH2n+2, where N is the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. Structures of alkenes. The first structure is linear chains with the general formula of CnH2n+2. Linear alkenes have the carbons bonded together in a chain-like structure similar to a snake. The first structure is single carbon chain. For example, methane, CH4. Next, we have two carbon chains. For example, ethane, C2H6. Three carbon chains. For example, propane, C3H8. And finally, four carbon chains. For example, butane, C4H10. Next, we have structural isomers with the general formula of CnH2n+2. This is where a functional group is attached at a location where you would have a hydrogen. For example, 2-methylpropane. In this case, the hydrogen is taken away and a methane with one hydrogen missing is put in its place so that the carbons can make bonds. This is called a methyl subgroup. It is called a structural isomer since it has the same chemical formula but a different structure. And finally, we have cycloalkenes, closed loop, with the general formula of CnH2n. The structure of cycloalkenes consists of only hydrogen and carbon atoms arranged in a structure containing a single ring, and all of the carbon-to-carbon bonds are single. For example, cyclobutane, C4H8. Cycloalkenes are formed by making a closed loop with linear alkanes. In the example below, butane is now called cyclobutane, since the hydrogens are now attached, making a full loop. The structure remains saturated, since it can hold as many hydrogens as possible. I hope you found this video very helpful. Thanks for watching.